First ball of the final. Oh, and straight away had the batter feeling for that delivery.
Then there's pressure. This is where he launches, goes big, outside edge, and it goes for 4. So the first boundary is at third man.
Takes the aerial route, he's got height, doesn't have the distance. Is Miron going to come around? Aaron George drops it.
High balls are never easy, and the communication under the high ball is of great importance. And on this occasion,
The cat's been dropped, young man, it's all right. You can breathe easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Does Hamza Zahoor and dispatches it.
that's the nature of the boy. And this time he makes a good enough connection, clears the boundary easily. The first 6 of the innings for Hamza and Pakistan.
Clipped away off his pads, and this is going to be 4 more.
And there's an example of it. Just a little flick, takes it over the fielder at square leg.
Slashed away, but this will be 4. There was width on offer, and Samir Minhas gets his second boundary in this over. Oh, that is tremendous, but has he got the distance on it? Got the height?
Use of the feet. And this pitch is easy paced. It's not looking like a Gabba pitch or not behaving like one.
Oh, the bat handle came loose. This could be a wicket. It will be a wicket. Ayush Matre, the captain, latches onto the catch. And this time around, Henel Patel tastes success.
This time, once again, Hamza going after the ball, and this time losing the grip of the handle. And the ball just skied up, and an easy catch to the captain, Ayush. It's 31 for 1.
Just again highlighting how the stars of today, the superstars. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be 4. Helping it on its way, Usman Khan. In the air, the third man there has gone for 6. I wonder if he spotted the ball. The sun coming straight in his eyes, Henel Patel.
Have to hear a thing or a two maybe.
Pulled away, over the infield. He's picked the length early and pulled it on the front foot. Clipped away. It was on the pads and put away. This ball might have the legs to take it over the ropes. It does. That's 4 more.
Punched away. Ayush Matre has something to chase and it beats him. Timing superb.
Great balance and the placement. Coming down few steps. Very brave.
Oh, he's taken the bowler on and sent it high in the sky.
Keeps his eyes on the ball till the end. And then high elbow pushes it all the way. And is not scared to play it in the air.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. It's gone towards square leg.
Being taken. But not to be. It's Pakistan's morning so far. He must not be that worried as he's played beautifully. Oh God, he can play. This boy has so many shots.
That is a safe shot to play against the off spinner. So safe that it went along the carpet to the boundary. He is certainly one to watch out for. Sublime Samir Minhas has showcased his mentality, his tenacity, his talent at the biggest of stages. A 50 in the final.
Samir Minhas.
Over the bowler's head. Swatted away. He can ooze class and sometimes he can pack a powerful punch. Fetch that, would you? Usman Khan is oozing some confidence as well now.
Oh, that was a return catch. That came like a rocket, but you got to held on to that.
But two-handed. Just look at see, those should be taken. Again, the slog sweep. He's finding those spots and he's finding those gaps.
He won the Under-19 World Cup for them. That was against India, low-scoring match, but look at that. Samir Minhas will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that. He's been good. He tries to pull this. It's in the air. Fielder there. Makes... Oh! Just when you say makes a mess of it, he holds on to that in the second attempt.
And take another look here. Well, the fielder did very well to recover. Bounced off his hand. That's because it's not been India's day. They've been missing things that India wanted. He's out for 35, 123 for 2. Again, very, very ambitious. But he'll get a boundary. Just wants to kind of release the pressure with that shot.
It's reverse swept and in the gap it goes. Another boundary to Pakistan in particular. Oh, this is smashed and this will sail over. Majestic.
Getting to the pitch of the ball, his dancing shoes on, and as you said, simply majestic. There was not an element of risk. Again, trying to give it the long handle, mistimes it, but it'll race to the boundary. That's gone towards the sun and beyond the boundary. Sameer Minhas, the perfect example of rising to the occasion. The epitome of patience, talent and virtue today. Sameer Minhas, a century in the final, a second in the tournament.
Fabulous. What a way. On drive, down the ground, full face of the bat. And it really showcases the kind of tournament that he has had. Outstanding performance and he thanks the God.
Sameer Minhas out in the middle is the one to watch out for. He's got his second fastest 100. Well, overthrow has to pass him a boundary. Nothing going. India under 19 way. Sloppy in the field. You had to throw at the wicket. You will say no one backing up, and the fielder who's backing up gets hit, and the ball runs down to the boundary for 4.
They've been dominant. They've been very authoritative. Down the track. Is it over? Yes, it is. Fearless, fabulous, fantastic. Sameer Minhas.
And they just keep capitalizing on the loose ball. That was there to be hit. And Sameer Minhas obliges and sends it for the boundary. Again, this is in the air. Just chipped it. And that is good enough to clear the boundary. Another 6 off the bat of Sameer Minhas.
Fantastic flick shot. That's not where he meant to be, but still, the sort of form he is in. Flying sixes. It's going everywhere.
It was only 30-40 runs that they needed. Comes down the track. Sameer Minhas. You cannot stop him. That's a maximum.
Yeah, smashing Sameer Minhas. Fabulous.
It's those little margins. At this moment, he can do no wrong. Take nothing away from him. On a day where Minhas has been the protagonist, he is certainly the best support cast. A 50 for Ahmed Hussain in this final.
So that's what he's achieved in the tournament so far. Now this is one-handed. And it's cleared the boundary, I think. Yes, it's 6.
It was short and to be hit. Swats it away. And he's been holed out.
Well outside the off-stump, in fact. Straight to the man at the short mid-wicket or mid-wicket. He goes for 56.
Wow. Just wow. Some shots don't need words. Frees his arms. Sends it for 6. Ends Keelan Patel's spell with that maximum. On what has been a gorgeous day for Pakistan under 19, it has been a gargantuan performance by Sameer Minhas. Raise your bat once more, young man. 150 in this final. Work of art once more. He can do no wrong. Boom! A second sun in the sky. The 300 is up with that. And Dipesh Devendran is very rattled. Is this it? Is this the moment? It is! It is! Finally! Finally, they see the back. Brilliant innings of 172 comes to an end. And Dipesh Devendran gets his man.
Another look. Definitely gripped a little bit in the surface because it was bowled slower. Went miles up in the air and very good catch by Chauhan. But magnificent innings. 172 by Minhas.
Let's enjoy your cricket, have fun. That's. Oh, was that a chance? Struck really hard. Struck fearlessly, struck for 4. But he can hit, but straight into the hands of the fielder. Hassan's got to go. We saw his big hitting prowess in that previous match when these two sides were up against each other in the group stage, but not today. It's Kanish Chauhan who has the last laugh.
Needed, yes. He just came in, facing third delivery. Yes, he had the license.
Ooh, shuffled across his stumps. He's created this opportunity to get 4.
They know it. Oh yes, Dan, go on, bold. Yeah, attempted few different tricks in the previous over, not to be this time. Didn't get the connection.
He's been wanting to play this shot, and that one just off the inner edge of the bat. He's played it onto the stumps. Captain Farhan Yusuf, he's back in the hut. 319 starts a fresh spell.
He's appealing for it. Oh yes, given out. What a fantastic period for India team in this game.
Guided towards third man. Look at that, just opening the back face, nicking it. And Kundu takes the catch. Henel was the one who knew the edge was there. The umpire corroborating by raising the finger. 4 wickets in the last 3 overs. Oh, edge just wide. That's going to go for 4. Streaky boundary for Shafiq. He gets off the mark and Henel says, takes the aerial route. There's a fielder there. Gets under it. Thank you very much. Slower one, clipped away. Should be taken. Or put down. Dipesh Devendran. Goes big. And that has gone the distance and more. So wrapping up the innings with a 6. They get 12 runs off that final over. 347 for 8 in 50 overs. That's what the Pakistan under-19 side have posted in the final.
Give Pakistan a fiery start, because guess what? He'd be up against 2 players who have already made their name. It doesn't matter what their records are at the under-19 level. They have showcased this. He takes him on and sends a message towards all those fans waiting to come in. That's how you lay down a marker, Suryavanshi. A free hit, and he makes Ali Raza pay. 2 legal deliveries, 13 already on the board. Oh, trying to give it the long handle once more. Big appeal. A little high. That's into the Dubai Marina. Oh, drop catch. Better fielding effort required in the crowd. Streaky. But this is how he plays. This is his intent. Mid-off. Straight to the fielder. The captain, completely flummoxed, has to head out as things get. His 4th match, the last 3. Edge, no second slip. George gets off the mark with a streaky little boundary.
Edge, yes! Gone! Big wicket! Ali Raza strikes! What a time, what a moment in this game! Superb Ali Raza!
Inside edge.
No, that's a sound of the bat hitting the ground. Just coming back to the chase. Now you're chasing 348. Great knock by Minas without for the Pakistan side.
That's something that makes the batter even happier when his...
Still got a lot of time in this game. If you can pace your innings, albeit this is a good over by Subhan. These 2 batters as well, if one were to look back, even 80 ought to get, who knows which way it goes.
They've got to believe in their ability. Once again, it's in the air, shot and a chance, and taken. Sayam with his heavy balls, the shorter ones, is proving fatal for the Indian batters. It's Trivedi.
But he got runs with the bat when he also...
This is some aggressive stuff.
Good length. He's just forcing the batter to play at every delivery.
Yeah, this is a good short ball, just keeping the batter honest, not allowing...
But for the moment, the spinner has been greeted to the bowling crease by a towering 6 by Abhigyan Kundu. He says there's still some fight left.
Driven beautifully in the gap. This is in the air. Chance for the fielder, and he spills it. There was a lot of time under the...
Sliced away. Just a single here for... That could be taken. It will be taken. He's found the man, a third man. He didn't have to move an inch. It was almost like it was a Christmas gift delivered. He's a capable bat, Kanish Chauhan.
Yeah, talk about this attack.
Game. He may have that thought about to what they could have done when they won the toss.
His brilliance first posted a big total on a final, and because of that big total, India got under pressure. Remember, they were chasing 304.
See, there's no doubt that scoreboard pressure is on. There is no doubt about it. That's not even a discussion. But
That's the reason why they have lost 6 wickets. Also remember, Pakistan under 19, Roshan. What hasn't gone in their favour is they've lost wicket, and you rightly pointed.
they need that consistent batting.
He's so focused on the game.
Well, it's not over until it's over. So you
Pakistan under 19 have actually shown some.
So you'll expect that. You'll expect them to throw themselves around. It's the self-confidence.
Oh, this is in the air. And taken. Farhan Yunus, skipper, completes the catch as Ali Raza gets another wicket.
Extra bit of pace.
This third as India lose 7. Yeah, well. Any doubts? Look at that. 47 wickets and counting.
That's been the story of Indian batting today. Rather,
Oh, he gets that in the slot and he sends it off for a maximum. A rare sight in this India under 19 bat. Nicely played. Smashed the first one 6, found it in his arc. The second just bowled. He's put on some player of the match performances, and they can just relax for a little bit, come back. Well, I think India under 19, when they were bowling, especially in the last 7 overs, gave away only 45 runs.
see, I'm a bit surprised because I did see India.
The pictures tell you the story. You don't even need the words behind him. So there was some preparation before this tournament.
Again, a big one. Should go all the way. Oh, it's fielded in the deep. Good work.
I'm sure the Indian fans with a broken heart will be able to relate to that. And then in the final, that one game only against Australia, they lost. And they lost a chance of lifting that. Comes down the track, charges on and sends it off for a maximum.
Well, they look to play shots like that.
You look at the most wickets at the ACC Men's Under 19 Asia Cup. Mujibur, that 2017 edition of the Under 19 Asia Cup was won by a... And he took 20. That kept him out of the game for more than a year. He continued the recovery, but he came back, but then he couldn't just...
Recovered. And this is going down for the big hit and chance for Sayam, and he takes it. Easy one. And the off-spin option has worked. Hassan coming in, and off his fourth delivery is picked up the wicket.
Devendra, the leading wicket takes last. Runs on the board, picked up wickets at regular intervals, dominated this final. Oh, he was in all sorts of trouble there. Henil Patel. And this will be runs. Subhan in the last campaign as well for the Pakistan under-19 side was... didn't time it. That one rushed onto him. Devendran might just have to undergo a check.
Batter. And here is Subhan, 2 for 14.
See, we can Kundu there, Vedant to his side on the extreme right of the screen. There's Ayush into this big tournament. Unfortunately, not firing the way.
Has been a barren patch for him, and another chance. This time it's long off, and this time another wicket, 9th down, and Pakistan inch closer to the Asia Cup trophy as Hassan picks up his second. Once that big total was posted, but this is big. This is in the cow corner, and it clears the boundary by some distance. Some power in that hit. Devendran opening his arms. Once again, he looks to go big, doesn't get the timing. Middle, whether the over has been bowled or not, and finally, it's the over. Ali Raza banging in short. The president of Bangladesh Cricket Board, my teacher in level 3. He is the head of the ICC education, and
Streaky, lucky, but for That's what Dipesh Devendran gets. He said, all right, I'm going to flay my bat at whatever comes my way, and we'll see what happens.
That is much better. Much better from Ali Raza. This time targeting stumps. The ball just going over the bails.
Couple of runs to avoid the biggest margin.
Again trying to smash one. Didn't get it anywhere near the middle of the bat. For a change, Ali Raza also bowls.
UAE in 2023 by a margin of 195 runs.
The ball, good lines, good channels, good length. The best part.
Got to be runs. It's a huge margin. Well, Devendran's not going down without a fight. Smacks that away for 4.
Well, that happens to be the... This is once again up in the sky, and this is held, and this is the moment. Pakistan becoming the champions, the first exclusive win for Pakistan.